to give you a quick comparison. This cheap no-name one it's okay, but the signal and speed's terrible. This was an old TP-Link, which kind of ended up needing lots of tape and botched jobbing, you know, and within, you know, a few weeks of having it, you know, you get that da-dunk, 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 and you know, it'd be sitting there plugged in even when it was, you know, a week old, and it'd be da-dunk, da-dunk, you know what I mean? You can tell by the quality, you know, you can hear it. It's very, very light and cheap. And believe it or not, this was an old dual antenna U-green. Nightmare signal, nightmare disconnecting. But I'm sorry, this bad boy, I mean, the weight of this now, how big it is, you know, and heavy, you know, compared to, I mean, this thing probably weighs 3 times as much as the old TP-Link dock or cradle or whatever. This is absolutely fantastic quality. And the Netgear itself, there it is when it's expanded. And I tell you what, honestly now, you would not believe it. I couldn't believe it. I mean, I was hoping, you know, on the 5 gig band, I maybe get an extra bar of signal and 10-20 megabits a second speed, but I'm not even going to say how much of a speed increase I got, because Amazon never put my reviews up, because I just got to tell the truth. You wouldn't, trust me, if you're like me, you've probably spent hundreds of pounds over the years buying no-name stuff for, you know, in my own personal opinion, the TP-Link ones are just constantly doing that irritating noise, you know, it's da-dunk, da-dunk, as if you're disconnecting, and it can just be stood there, you know, in the cradle, and you're like 3 feet away, not touching it, and it's driving you batty. This absolutely rock solid. Just, I'm not going to say anything more. I want to scream and shout just how good it is, but nope, Amazon will not put my review up anyway, probably. But trust me, if you're thinking about getting a NETGEAR Nighthawk, I've got no affiliate links, I've got nothing but the truth. It's absolutely fantastic.